The Agility Ladder Scissor Hops to in and out to 180-degree forward jump is a fat-burning combination that also improves foot speed. To get started, while facing an agility ladder, complete the scissor hop by placing one foot in a box in the agility ladder, then quickly hop that foot back out as you bring the opposite foot into the box beside it. Keep your knees slightly bent as you quickly scissor your feet in and out of the boxes in the ladder. With your elbows bent at 90 degrees, continue pumping your arms for momentum while keeping your core contracted to maintain balance. After 3 reps per leg, stop and move directly into the in and outs. Step one foot into one of the boxes, staying on the ball of your foot, then quickly step back and out of the box while stepping the opposite foot in the box. Continue moving your feet forward and backward in and out of the ladder as fast as you can for 6 reps per leg. Then complete a 180-degree forward jump over the agility ladder, stick the landing, then complete another 180-degree forward jump over the agility ladder to get back to the starting position. Then move back into the scissor hops. Repeat this exercise combo for reps or time.
Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.